Hey folks, warm. That's the key word today. Okay, hot if you want to go with that one. 101 in Rio Grande City right now. Still 95 in McAllen. Here in Weslaco, we're at 92. As you go closer to the coast, it cools off. 84 at the beach, 87 in Brownsville. But certainly a very warm day. And the dew points are up there in most regions as well. Slightly drier air, northern western parts of the valley. But as you get closer to the coast, dew points are all in the 70s. Let's put that on the muggy meter. The average is at about 68. So it's certainly in the muggy range. Not quite summer-like, but it's up there. Now, let's watch Future Track because we do see some changes coming in the next few days. Now, tonight should be quiet. Humidity, a few clouds, but just patchy stuff. For the most part, tomorrow, another mostly sunny, another very hot day with temperatures back up into the mid to upper 90s again. We're going into Wednesday and things don't change much. We're still very warm, still very humid, still back up in the upper 90s, still plenty of sunshine. But look at Thursday. Watch this. Look at all the green stuff that shows up. Showers likely on Thursday, perhaps even a thunderstorm mixed in as our cool front, yes, cool front finally makes its way across South Texas. Notice it triggers some yellow, maybe a couple of thunderstorms up over Zapata County as it pushes south. This model will update in a little bit. We'll keep seeing it come farther and farther south, but we think it'll come in during the afternoon on Thursday, and with it, a shower or thunderstorm is a good bet. So we're going dry tomorrow and Wednesday, but Thursday we bump it up to 50%. Friday, there could be something lingering in the morning, but after that, I think it's gone. You look at the temperatures, we go 96, 94. Thursday is the day of the front, so it's still warm before the front gets here, even with the showers around. But then once that front goes through, temperatures should fall through the 80s, probably into the 70s, and then we'll stay in the 70s all day Friday instead of reaching back up into the upper 80s and upper 90s again. So pretty good change between Wednesday and Friday. Thursday is kind of the transition day in the middle. Gulf of Mexico is quiet. Of course, we're still in hurricane season for another, month and a half or so, but we're getting to the time of year when nothing is going to bother us. We're almost to that point. After today's date, nothing has ever come into South Texas, so we're kind of at the anniversary of the latest possible strike here. That doesn't mean it couldn't happen, but it would be unprecedented if it does. We are tracking a system basically over the southern Bahamas. It has a good shot at developing over the next 5 days, but it has very little shot at going this way. If anything, it's probably going to go the other direction, but it will impact some of the southeastern islands of the Bahamas over the next few days. Let's put it all together. Let's look at the beach first and see what's going on if you're headed that way. In the morning, temperatures already about 85 degrees. Southerly winds. The UV is very high. The rip current risk is moderate. Surf temperature checks in at 84 degrees. By afternoon, we're back into the mid-80s at the island. Southeasterly winds continue, and by tomorrow evening, you're looking at about 83. Southeasterly winds at about 15. Here are the tides, and there are three: 916, 501, and 1110. Seas 2 to 3 feet. The bay temperature checks in at 84 degrees. So for tonight, I think we stay mainly clear, and I know we stay warm. 74 for the low. Humidity's up a bit. Southeasterly winds at about 7 to 14 miles an hour. Then tomorrow, the southeast wind continues, and we bump it back up to 96. Some places, like today, over 100. The farther west you are, the hotter you'll be. If you're out near the lighthouse in Port Isabel, cooler temperatures there topping out in the upper 80s, close to 90. So we go 96, 94, then 89. That high of 89 on Thursday, it's in there because we have to put a number in there, but with showers around, front coming through, temperatures will be cooler late in the day than they are first thing in the morning probably. And then we cool it off. Look at Friday. Maybe a leftover shower in the morning, then we bounce back to 78. Saturday morning, we're at 55, and then we bounce back to 81 for a high. That looks like a nice day. Sunday looks good, 60 in the morning, 87 in the afternoon. Then by Monday, back to 90 once again with a very slight chance for a shower. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.